Hi everybody, welcome back. This is Psychic Sun Tarot. This reading is for Gemini. Gemini, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs. This is going to be a love reading. I'm going to read for both of you, Geminis who are in relationship and Geminis who are single. Okay, so please take what resonates and leave the rest. And if you're a cross watcher, you can reverse the energies. All right. So let's see what do we have in store for my Gemini. We will see your energy, your person's energy and the mutual energies. This is going to be for the next 10 days. That is from the 20th of August till the end of this month. So let's see what do we have in store for Geminis. We will see the current energies. This is for your love life. If I find something else for your career, I will definitely say Gemini. So let's see what do we have in store for Gemini. Please give me a message. What do we have in store for Gemini? Okay. Two of Wands in reverse. Gemini, some of you, I think, you're tired of waiting. You want to go to a different place. Some of you, you're waiting for a job offer. We have this in reverse. Some of you, you're definitely waiting for a job offer. You're expecting a proposal. This could be in a different country or a different place at a distance from you. Yeah, you want a job or you want a proposal. You're waiting for somebody. Some of you, you could be waiting for your person who stays at a distance from you. Or yeah, you could be waiting for someone. Alright, these cards want to pop out. Page of Cups, Four of Swords, Eight of Wands. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Page of Wands, Wheel of Fortune, Hermit, and the Tower in reverse. Okay. Geminis, I strongly feel that you guys are not talking to each other. Okay, there is I do see that there is this energy between you both, you and your partner, that things were very good at the start, but things are not fine now. Okay, maybe your relationship started very much with a spark, and I do see the spark is dying, that kind of an energy. Some of you, I feel that you feel that your partner has changed. Yeah, this person, they may have changed, that kind of energy. I do see communication gap between both of you. It's like I don't see transparency between both of you. Okay, there is a barrier. The way you used to talk to them in the start and the way you guys are talking now, things have changed. I do see some major changes in your life, Gemini, some major changes. Some of you, I feel that you are in a place where you're broken internally, or rather I would say that you're shattered internally, but you are not the one who will beg for attention, or you are not the one who will beg for the love. Okay, yeah, I do see that energy. Maybe your person is dealing with somebody else, Gemini, and that is something. Some of you, I feel that you may have got some clarity of lately. It's like some things have been revealed to you, or I do see that energy where things have been revealed to you, or some of you, I think you are in this process. Maybe you're going to get to know something soon. So I do see things being revealed to you. Yeah, some of you, you are in this place where you've lost faith in love, that kind of an energy where you feel that, you feel demotivated, or you feel as if, you have lost hope that you may not find true love anymore, that kind of energy. And some of you, you are in this energy where you are done, you are stressed over something. This person is somebody who may have put you in this energy, Gemini. Okay, it's like you're trying to stay, it's like you're trying to stay away from people You're trying to be all alone, focused on your own self. You're focusing on work. You're waiting for a communication from this person. But I see things changing. Yeah, I told you, some of you, you are in this process of, no more bullshit, no more BS. You are going to cut people out of your life, Gemini. Okay, some of you, yeah, you may have told somebody to be out of your life, or you are making a decision very soon, something like this. Either you may have distanced yourself from someone, or you are in this process where you're thinking of cutting people out of your life, especially this person, maybe they are involved with a third partner and you got to know about this, Gemini. All right, let's see, what does this person feel for Gemini? What are their current energies towards you, Gemini? Let's see, what are the current energies towards you, Gemini? Okay, I think this card wants to come out. Five of Swords. I do see differences of opinion between both of you. One person hurting the other person. Now, in some cases, this could be you who may have hurt them. For some of you, it could be them, they hurt you. They may have hurt you in some way, Gemini. So, let's see, what are their current energies towards you? Let's see, how are they feeling towards you? What do they feel towards my Gemini? Okay. Yeah, I told you. Gemini, I think this person may have left you already, or they are in this process of leaving you and moving towards somebody else. I do see this person may have somebody else, Gemini. Okay, and you may have got to know about this recently, something like this. And I do see that some of you, I think you're going through a major transformation in your life, a major change, and this is for your own good. Okay, universe is cutting people out of your life. People who do not deserve to be in your life, they are going to be thrown out very soon, Gemini. Okay, some of you, I feel there's somebody who likes you. This is your friend. Okay, they have this feeling towards you. They really like you. They're trying to get close to you. I do see somebody getting close to you, Gemini. They're trying very hard. It's like, they're starting with friendship, that kind of energy. Okay, so let's see what will be the outcome. Okay, this card wants to come out. Yeah, Gemini, I think your focus is going to be work. You're trying to distract yourself by focusing on work. Work is your priority at this moment. You are done. Some of you, you are done. It's like, of course you are waiting for somebody, but that's not your priority. Okay, if things happen, good for you, but that's not your priority as of now. What I feel is, some of you, you are busy solving this relationship that you are in right now. Yeah, it's like this person has put you in this place where you are in stress, you don't know what to do, confused, you're thinking whether do you even have any future with them or no, that kind. Some of you, you may have got to know something about this person and that's worrying you. Some of you, you're focused on being spiritual, you're trying to disconnect from the world, being alone. Yeah, I don't know, I feel that everything was very beautiful when this relationship started, Gemini. Now guys, this is a general reading. This won't resonate to all of you, okay? If this resonates, it's for you. If it doesn't, then this is not your reading, okay? So, yeah. So, let's see. What do we have for my single Gemini? As far as the outcome is concerned, what I feel is, Geminis, you're going to be focused on work, okay? I do see that you working, maybe some of you, you're learning some new talents, and work is your priority. Savings, building a house, building a home, this is all your priority at this moment, Gemini. Anyways, a person who doesn't value you, they don't deserve to be in your life, Gemini. Keep that in mind. If this person wants to leave, let them go. Okay? The person who loves you and who is destined for you will be with you come what may. And the one who doesn't want to be with you, it means They are just not meant for you. Simple. Okay, it's not that universe won't send somebody else. Universe will. Okay, if something goes away from your life, something else comes. This is how it is. If somebody leaves you, that doesn't mean you'll be staying single forever. Universe is going to send somebody else for you. Okay, don't lose hope, Gemini. Don't lose hope. All right. So let's see what do we have for singles. Then we'll pull out some oracle messages. Singles, I think you are in a very good place, enjoying, having fun, feeling abundant. Some of you, you just don't want to be in relationship. Okay, I do see that energy. You are feeling stuck. You don't want to take any movement. Maybe I feel that there's somebody who likes you, singles, or they are showing some interest, but you are like, you are not willing to take things forward with this person. You are holding on, or maybe you are taking your own sweet time, because yeah, look at this. You're not going to take decisions so easily, singles. I feel you're going to wait, watch, and then see what to do, what not to do. Some of you are literally waiting for somebody who is a perfect match for you. Maybe there's somebody in your life, but you're not happy with this person. That's why you're looking for something else. Okay, maybe they don't match your requirement, whatever it is. Yeah, so I do see that for you, singles. And some of you are in this energy where you have made your mind. You are not going to run after anyone. Whoever wants to come, they will come. Some of you are in this energy where you don't want to take any steps. You are like waiting for somebody else to do things, or waiting for someone else to show love or propose to you, or something like this. I feel you are in a better place, singles. Okay, you are comfortable, happy, yet at the same time looking forward to a nice bright future. I don't see you in a place of hurt, stress, so I'm happy about that. You guys are comfortable, feeling abundant, enjoying whatever you have, focusing on your own self. Some of you are busy doing things that will help you in the future. Maybe you're focused on your own health, focused on your own looks. Maybe you are working out, something like this. Yeah. So let's see, singles. Okay. Yeah. Some of you, it's like it's very difficult for you to trust people now. So maybe you have made these walls so that people cannot enter your territory, singles. Yeah, you are not ready to trust people so easily. That's the energy here, singles. Yeah, you are very comfortable, happy in your own space. Okay, that is what I feel. I do see, now this is for both of you, people who are in a relationship and people who are single. I see a Saggy, Pisces and Libra coming towards you. This could be an Aries, Leo, Libra, Saggy and Pisces, Cancer. Yeah, these sun signs are prominent. So somebody is coming towards you with these sun signs, singles. Okay, so let's see what message do we have from Romance Angel for you, singles. Let's see. This is going to be for both of you. Let's see what will be the message for my Geminis. Now this is for Geminis who are in relationship and Gemini who are single. Let's see what messages do we have. I think this card wants to come out. You deserve love. Look at this. I told you. Some of you are in this place where you feel you don't feel worthy of love, or you may have lost hope, whatever, that kind of energy, because you were dealing with somebody who were not serious with you, or they may have chosen somebody else over you, or they may have changed with time. So that's the message. You deserve love, Geminis. What message do we have for my Geminis, please? Oh my god, I'm not getting any cards for you, Gemini. What's happening? Okay, finally. Let go of control issues. Some of you, you are trying to take things in your control. It's like you're trying hard in this relationship, or you are not letting this person go, or you are trying to do everything on your own. So just let go of control issues, okay? Allow the situation to unfold naturally, okay? It's like you are doing everything in your capacity, in your power, to save this relationship or to make this person stay. So let go of control issues. If they want to leave, let them leave, okay? The one who really loves you will be there in your life, come what may. Geminis, let's see what are the message for my Geminis. Let's see what else do we have for you, Gemini. Okay, this card wants to come out. Love yourself first. Yeah, some of you, you are in a relationship where you have lost your own self-respect in this process of loving somebody else. I do see that some of you, you are in a relationship where this person doesn't respect you and you're doing everything in your capacity. Yeah, maybe you have lost your own self in this process of making somebody else happy. Okay, so this message is for you, Gemini. Love yourself. Your self-respect makes you more romantically attractive. Okay, don't let somebody control you. Don't let somebody manipulate you, or don't let somebody take charge of your life. Okay, if they love you, they will prove it, they will show you. If they don't, let them leave. They don't deserve you. Simple. Okay, no mind games. Yeah, you should be their priority, otherwise tell them to leave. Okay, any other message for my Geminis? I think that's it, Geminis. I don't have any message here. So you guys take care of yourself. Don't give in too much in this relationship, okay? Just let it be. Just let it be. Give this person some time. If he or she, they want to stay, let them stay. If they don't want to stay, let them leave. Okay? Don't try to take things in your hand, Gemini. Which is good. I any which way see you guys focused on work. You're trying to distract yourself, or this is what I feel. Some of you, you may be focusing on your career. You want to shift to a new country. That is what I feel here. Okay, so that is it, Gemini. This was your reading. I hope this helps and resonates. So you guys take care. Bye.